High-performance sports cars have always been part of the Toyota tradition. One of the more distinguished examples was the fascinating 2000 GT, which was introduced in 1967. An exotic twin-cam six-cylinder engine and four-wheel fully independent double wishbone suspension were just a few of the innovative features that made the 2000 GT such a sensation. The 2000 GT's outstanding performance set 3 world records and 13 international records, guaranteeing it a special reputation both in Japan and abroad. That performance heritage lives on today in the new Supra. The new Supra, a true high-performance sports car in the best Toyota tradition. Although the previous Supra was essentially a derivative of the Celica, the new Supra was developed from the ground up as a true sports car in its own right. One of the primary development goals of the new Supra was to create a high-performance chassis that achieved the precise handling and outstanding stability expected from a true sports car. The second goal was to develop a smooth and powerful engine with power output that would give the new Supra the sharp responses that a first-class sports car requires. Third was comfort. Naturally, the interior had to be roomy, but it also had to have a touch of class and luxury, be quiet and comfortable, and have that distinctive sports car feeling. Finally, the exterior styling had to be aerodynamic, yet muscular and appealing, without affecting the other 3 development goals. Thus, the new Supra evolved as a true sports car that was also exhilarating to drive. Now let's look at the chassis, the backbone of the new Supra's outstanding performance profile. The new chassis was designed to handle the high power of the new engine with ease, have impressive straight-line stability, high-speed cornering, and be easy to control and comfortable. These are all features demanded by sports car enthusiasts. To achieve this performance without making any compromises, the new Supra incorporates 4-wheel fully independent double wishbone suspension, which offers a high degree of alignment freedom. The front suspension uses a cast upper A-arm, a long-span lower L-arm, and an anti-roll bar. The rear suspension features a forged upper A-arm, a trapezoid-shaped lower arm, and a radius rod. Aluminium alloy front and rear upper arms keep the unsprung weight as low as possible without compromising on rigidity. The front track has been increased by 20 millimeters and the rear track by 40 millimeters, both of which have improved the handling and stability by a significant margin compared to the Celica Supra. To achieve the full benefits of the 4-wheel double wishbone suspension, all of the suspension arms were attached to rigid suspension members. This feature improves handling as well as minimizing noise and vibration levels. No suspension system is ever going to perform well without a strong body to support it, no matter how advanced the basic design may be. The rigid body is an integral part of the new Supra's suspension, resulting in superior performance throughout. Ball joints and bushes with metal inserts have been used wherever possible, resulting in a rigid yet supple suspension. The geometry of the new Supra's suspension features a caster angle of 8 degrees, which improves the high-speed stability by a significant margin. The tires are a major factor in any car's handling. The new Supra features 225/50 VR16 unidirectional tires as standard equipment, which were developed jointly with Goodyear using technology developed on their Formula One tires. For further reassurance, an electronically monitored anti-lock braking system is built in as standard. The highly rigid body and the innovative suspension design of the new Supra give it chassis performance equal to other specialist sports cars. Another impressive feature of the new Supra is a high power output engine that delivers stunning performance. At the heart of the Supra is the new 3-liter twin-cam 24-valve 7M GE unit, one of the most advanced normally aspirated 3-litre engines currently available. Since this engine had to be smooth, powerful, responsive, and free revving, as well as returning low fuel consumption, a twin-cam 24-valve layout was the formula adopted. The new acoustic control induction system, ACIS, operates a control valve within the induction air chamber, which is geared to the engine speed and throttle angle. This design controls the intake resistance of the fuel-air mixture for maximum intake efficiency, giving good low RPM torque as well as outstanding top-end power. The injector itself uses a dual injection system with an injection nozzle for each of the 2 intake ports per cylinder. This gives better control over the injection direction for the most efficient and powerful combustion possible. As a result, the performance of the new engine is extremely impressive, with a maximum power of 201 bhp at 6,000 rpm and a maximum torque of 187.5 pounds per foot at 4,800 rpm. Now let's compare the new Supra's engine to its competitors. Compared with the other normally aspirated cars in its class, the maximum power of the new Supra is by far the best. The maximum torque is similarly the best. The new engine also puts out an extremely broad operative power band, with 80% of the maximum torque being generated between 1,200 rpm and 6,400 rpm. In terms of outright performance, the Supra's maximum speed leaves the rest of the competition standing. Furthermore, the acceleration from 0 to 60 miles an hour compares very favorably with the best in its class. But this impressive performance profile is not at the sacrifice of fuel consumption. To achieve the maximum efficiency from this powerful new engine, the Supra is also available with an electronically controlled automatic transmission system that controls the shifting and locking up timing, leading to significant improvements in both acceleration and fuel efficiency performance. Of course, simply having an outstanding performance profile is not sufficient for a true top-class sports car. Let's move on to the interior and consider in detail the outstanding comfort that the new Supra provides. The new interior has a sporty feeling, yet features outstanding quality, which creates a comfortable and enjoyable cabin environment. Additionally, the optional full leather upholstery provides even further refinement. The memory tilt and telescopic steering memorizes the angle that you prefer, which means that all drivers can easily find their ideal driving position. The driver's seat of the new Supra is an 8-way adjustable seat with power-assisted adjustable side and lumbar supports, which can be tailored to fit you exactly. The instrument panel was designed to maintain optimum instrumentation visibility. All switches have been placed logically for instant access, and all gauges for instant readout. The switches for the electrically operated windows and central locking fall easily to hand, as do the electric door mirrors. Furthermore, the new Supra also features a cruise control system that automatically maintains a steady preset cruising speed for more comfortable high-speed cruising. Plus, the control switches have been mounted on the steering wheel spokes, making the system easier to operate. The ETR stereo radio cassette system of the new Supra uses bass reflex speakers built into the doors to create really impressive sound quality. The ventilation system of the new Supra has been designed for maximum comfort. The ram air volume has been increased to 190 cubic meters per hour, while adjustable louvers permit the air volume to be controlled. Additionally, there's thermostatically controlled air conditioning as standard to provide the ideal driving environment. Now let's look at the Supra's elegant styling. The muscular and dynamic styling of the new Supra incorporates hidden pillars and flush-fitting panels throughout and is at the cutting edge of today's automotive design. The aerodynamic exterior of the new Supra was not only designed for elegant lines, but also to provide optimum high-speed stability in addition to minimal air resistance, with a drag coefficient of 0.32. Thanks to Toyota's advanced technology, the quality of the new Supra is also outstanding. For example, the use of high-tensile steel throughout results in a lightweight structure without sacrificing body rigidity. The extensive use of Toyota's unique galvannealed steel gives the new Supra outstanding anti-corrosive properties. Toyota's production control system is one of the most advanced in the world and has earned itself an enviable reputation. The new Toyota Supra. The combination is irresistible. A high-performance chassis that offers precise handling and outstanding stability. A smooth and powerful engine that's as flexible as it is responsive. A comfortable and luxurious interior. And aggressive and sleek styling are all features that make the new Supra an unbeatable sports car. The new Toyota Supra. Even stationary, it has the power to move you.